Hi guys, it's your next nurse Florence and you're welcome once again to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the dangers of holding back your sneeze. But before then, let's quickly look at the definition of sneezing, what causes you to sneeze, what triggers your sneezing, the home remedies for sneezing, and how to treat the underlying cause for sneezing. Let's get into it. To my subscribers, thank you for your support, and if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you're welcome. Here we talk all about emergency health and wellness tips that I know will be beneficial to you and your family. Please consider subscribing. Thank you. Another name for sneezing is stentation. It is a powerful involuntary expulsion of air. It happens suddenly and without warning. It is your body's way of removing irritants from your nose and throat. Everyone sneezes, so it is completely normal and acceptable as long as you cover your mouth. What causes you to sneeze? Part of your nose's job is to clean the air that you breathe, making sure it is free of dirt and bacteria. In most cases, your nose traps this dirt and bacteria in the mucus. Your stomach then digests the mucus, which neutralizes any potentially harmful invaders. Sometimes, however, dirt and debris can enter your nose and irritate the sensitive mucous membrane inside your nose and throat. When these membranes become irritated, it causes you to sneeze. Sneezing can be triggered by a variety of things, including 1. Allergens and nasal irritants, for example, dust, pollens, secondhand smoke, strong odors, perfumes, pet denders, and all the rest. 2. Viruses such as common cold or flu. 3. Drug withdrawal. 4. Inhalation of corticosteroids through a nasal spray. 5. Spicy foods, black pepper, or bright lights. One of the best ways to keep you from sneezing is to avoid things that trigger you to sneeze. Making changes in your home can help you reduce irritants. If you have pets that shed their hair, you might consider cutting it. Kill dust mites on sheets and linens by washing them in hot water. If your sneezing is as a result of allergens, infection, or irritants, you may need to see your healthcare personnel. Over-the-counter and prescription medications such as antihistamines are available to relieve your symptoms. If you have allergies, your first step is to prevent or to avoid allergens like the ones mentioned above. But in severe cases, that's if you have severe allergies, your healthcare provider might recommend that you take allergy shots. For people with photic sneezing, do not look into bright lights. Photic sneezing usually runs in families. Your eyes should be protected with polarized sunglasses. Always put them on before you leave the house. Holding back your sneeze could cause rupture of your eardrums, middle ear infection, diaphragm injury. This is due to pressurized air trapped in the diaphragm, pain in your chest, broken ribs. This is usually seen in older adults. Irritation of the throat, and in severe cases, ruptured blood vessels in the eyes, nose, and brain. The increased pressure caused by the sneeze being held in will cause blood vessels in the nasal passages to squeeze and burst. So please do not hold back your sneeze. Let me know in the comment section if you've held back your sneeze before and your experience. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you've learned a thing or two about the dangers of holding back your sneeze. If you find this content helpful and useful, please give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. You can drop your comments, your concerns, or topics you want me to talk about in the comment section, and I will attend to them. I am still your next door nurse, and I'm just a knock away. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.